Hey guys, today we're going to do a really quick demo. This demo is specifically for pizzerias and pizzerias that are using Slice for online ordering. Okay, so we'll just start by creating a new story. We'll just name that story Slice for this demo. Create the story. Okay, now you're in your story, and if you go over to templates, we already have this really nice template made specifically for ordering on Slice. Click that. Now that's part of your story. Now you want to go over to Slice and your online ordering page and copy that link. Okay, go back to your Display.Stream profile, click on that QR code, and we're just going to go ahead and delete that. Now up in here in the menu, you're going to see there is a barcode. You're going to click on that. Make sure you have the QR code selected. Enter the link from your online ordering on Slice and add that QR code. Now just click and drag your QR code, resize it to fit in the white box, and click Save. And now that's ready to go. Now all you have to do is broadcast this to your display. If you have a window display, people can place orders without even having to go in. So we'll go over to Broadcast, select the display you want it to go onto, click Broadcast, and that is now on your display. So again, somebody can just walk by your pizzeria, see this up in your display, scan the QR code, and place their order right there. I hope you found this demo helpful, and thank you for using Display.Stream.